Hello guys, today we know about flag image of African countries. You identify the flag and tell which country's flag image. Please subscribe the channel. Question number 1. Answer: South Africa. Question number 2. Answer: Nigeria. Question number 3. Answer: Ghana. Question number 4. Answer: Kenya. Question number 5. Answer: Ethiopia. Question number 6. Answer: Tanzania. Question number 7. Answer: Morocco. Question number 8. Answer: Democratic Republic of the Congo. Question number 9. Answer: Senegal. Question number 10. Answer: Uganda. Question number 11. Answer: Sudan. Question number 12. Answer: Mali. Question number 13. Answer: Côte d'Ivoire. Question number 14. Answer: Madagascar. Question number 15. Answer: Somalia. Question number 16. Answer: Angola. Question number 17. Answer: Cameroon. Question number 18. Answer: Algeria. Question number 19. Answer: Zimbabwe. Question number 20. Answer: Namibia. Question number 21. Answer: Rwanda. Question number 22. Answer: Niger. Question number 23. Answer: Tunisia. Question number 24. Answer: Mozambique. Question number 25. Answer: Zambia.
To change your